What's up, everybody? You're welcome again to Albert the Traveler. Today is a special day. Guess what? I'm with
Yes, what's up, guys? This is another episode of Albert the Traveler. We are right at Dehradun railway stations.
Oh, okay. Today I'm very excited, brothers, because it's my first time seeing train. We're in India. Don't forget them to tell them that we are in India, right?
We are right at Dehradun railway station, Uttarakhand, India.
So what?
Just in front of me is the latest train, which is
Brand new.
So I don't know if
This is a pilot. Yes. so you see, first of all, let's show you how
show them the passengers.
Oh, this train is coming. Let's show them how it's running. You see? This is the oldest one, and you're gonna see how it's gonna run. Maybe it's for years ago. कैसे हो? Yes. These are pirates.
We are just going to take a walk through the station. Here you'll be able to see different passengers, different trains, different destinations. So,
Bro, for me it's my first time seeing train. I don't know. What about you?
well, I haven't been into a train. I guess this is also my first time.
Okay. So guys, be with me for our first experience about this. This is what? It's a train, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
let's go.
Let's go.
This is Dehradun.
Yes.
Dehradun what?
Railway station.
So what's the difference between this train and that one on the other side?
This one is express and then the other one is not. This
Oh.
one's speed is a little bit faster.
Okay, so if you want to go to different part of India, Delhi, Mumbai, you can go with this train.
Definitely, you can pop in and find yourself at the destination that you wish
Okay.
to be in.
So, as you had the experience between bus and train, which one is more expensive?
Well, it depends because a train has classes.
Okay.
No, there is a VIP, there is ordinary, so it has a class. So, depending on the class, you're able to pay your money. But I guess all of them are good.
But guys,
They are all good.
you have to look at here. This is where train beast riding. Is beast riding here? Maybe. It's for class. They told me there's some people who go while they are standing.
Yeah, VIP, yes. Ordinary, you can stand. Yeah, so it's like that.
VIP, you can even strip.
Yes.
You know me, I go while I'm stripping.
You can see
So,
the different
Yeah,
passengers.
these are passengers waiting also on this bench. Maybe they are waiting for time.
Yeah.
See the time. We are about to go. India, Dehradun. So for me, I'm about to go to New Delhi. So I don't know where is my train. I have to check the number. Bro, you can take something to eat if you want to. This is India.
So we are just taking a walk through the station, and if we get a few polite people, we'll be able to ask them about their experience on railways.
For sure, for
Yeah.
sure.
So let's just take a walk.
Guys, see this one? It's a very long. For me, I'm very excited to see this. See, the trains are very long. See the style under to be looking like this. So I wish I could have also train in our country, but it's coming these days. I'm sure they're planning it. It is in the biggest project we have in Rwanda. Yeah. Keep watching. So I'll show you everything here. No, Albert the Traveler. We are like a family. We have to share our experience of traveling for everything for sure. Especially, you know, like in Africa, all of us we don't have train. Yeah. Maybe it is in a few countries, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, is it possible if we can get inside and maybe take a few videos and
Yeah,
perhaps?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
You can go this on this
This way. Okay.
Anything.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
sir.
Bye. Okay, guys, we are going to show you inside the train how to be like, right? Okay, they are still cleaning. It is like this. Bro, this is the AC what? See inside.
So, yeah, we've just gotten into the train and you can see the seats on my left and on my right. That it is a two-sided seat.
Okay.
So, yeah, you can see, and inside is amazing. Wow.
So where will we sit? We can sit here?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit here. Sit here. Wow. It's like a bus. It's like a
So
bus.
amazing. And where you see where I put my legs?
For sure.
You
Okay.
can see, you can hear, you can
Yeah,
eat
this is like in
something.
a plane, airplane.
Wow, it's amazing.
Okay.
Wow, this is absolutely good. What do you think?
Oh, I think like I better go because I have a trip. This weekend I have a trip, so I go with the train. That's my plan. Yeah,
Wow.
I go with a train.
I think I'll be able to make a trip to Delhi one day on a train. Inside is good. You can see it's amazing.
Yes. It is now. See that's where there is a.
Control.
Oh. Okay.
Just looking out. We are getting out of the train.
Okay.
Delhi. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, manager.
Manager.
Yeah.
Oh, young manager.
Yeah.
Very young.
I am lady manager.
You? Ladies. Oh, ladies manager. Boys manager.
Boys or ladies? No manager.
No manager.
Yeah. Better. Huh?
Service. Kana. Kana inside.
Yeah. So.
Oh.
How much from here to Delhi?
Yeah.
Kitna?
ये शीवन
Oh, Baba.
इसमें वेंडर
Vendor.
16 वेंडर है
Baba.
Yeah. Money from here to Delhi.
20
How much?
ये होते हैं
How much?
ये हमारे चचा आ रहे हैं CFW ये
Oh, okay.
पैलेट टीटी
Pilot.
पैलेट दूसरे होते हैं ये एशियन होते हैं ये एसी स्टाफ एसी मैनेज का
ठीक है.
ओके
You traveling?
ये
Okay. Thank you. And for me, because I'm going to also put in my Instagram.
It's okay.
No zooming. Doesn't zoom. Ah. Power of the subconscious mind. I only need me. I normally make reels. My reels are only 1 minute. ₹400. You have yeah. You have from here to Meghalaya. I want to go to Meghalaya. Meghalaya. From Dehradun. Huh? No train. Or maybe from Dehradun to another state, then from another state to Meghalaya.
So what about Delhi? New Delhi.
From New Delhi to Meghalaya is there.
So from Dehradun to New Delhi.
Then from New Delhi.
New Delhi to Agartala.
Where?
Agartala.
Then from there to Meghalaya. Because Meghalaya is a very good place now. I've seen waterfalls and
How much from here to Delhi?
400. Yeah.
430.
Is it VIP or because I hear it has class ordinary and VIP.
This one is brand new in our Indian Railways.
Brand new, brand new.
Yeah.
So this is how much?
This is called Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat.
Vande Bharat.
Vande
Bharat.
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 Okay. So I want to go to Delhi with a train. Maybe in this weekend. How much?
I don't know. You can inquiry time.
Is it over 1,000?
Yeah, maybe. Of course.
Uh,
This is all.
This one is brand new. This one is Shatabdi. This one is also a premium.
The old model.
No, not old model, but premium train in this one. Just like it.
So how much can this one take? How many people can it take?
Like 1,200, 1,300 for one person in chair car.
No congestion. I want to go to Meghalaya. This is the best place I enjoy in India.
Firstly, you take a train from Dehradun to New Delhi.
New Delhi, then from New Delhi.
From New Delhi to Agartala is another one.
I will. Because that place.
You can reach by bus also.
I think I would like with the train. Even Lucknow. Lucknow is good destination for tourists also. Lucknow, there's that. Nah? Yeah. Okay, thank you. But I think this one is almost going.
No.
Ah,
Not right now.
right now. But we want to get inside also.